Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this summer makeup look using peaches and golden tones and purples to create a fun summer makeup look for you guys. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. For my face, I am going to go in with the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence. I have this in the shade Medium 40. I love this. It feels so lightweight and hydrating on the skin, and also gives you some pretty good coverage. So we'll go in with this first, just do a little pump on the hand, and I like to just rub this in with my hands. I feel like that is the best way for me to apply it, because it's like a serum with capsules of like foundation or color pigment in it. I just feel like rubbing it on with your hands is the best. A little bit on my neck as well. Now I'm going to go in with the Lottie London Hot Glaze Bronzing Summer Drops. Bronzing Serum Drops, Summer Drops. Yeah, it's summer. It is summer out. We're gonna look like summer. Apply under foundation for an instant sun-kissed look, or over makeup to bronze certain areas of the face, chest, legs, or anywhere you want. This is beautiful. It smells delicious. I love using it. So I'm just gonna put a few pumps on my hand, and then I'm gonna take my stippling brush. This is just from e.l.f. And I will apply it up on top of the cheekbones, over the nose, places you would get sun-kissed. And I'm not going to do any contour today, so this is gonna be like the bronze contour. And this just lays really nicely over top of makeup. It looks super hydrating and natural. Gonna pop on a little bit of the Clean and Fresh Hydrating Concealer from CoverGirl. I have this in the shade Light Medium, just to warm up that area right there. This is a nice peachy undertone to it, so it balances out those cooler tones really nicely. Neutralizes, doesn't balance, neutralizes them. Add a few freckles. I love just using the NYX Lift and Snatch. I have this in a soft brown, so it is like perfect freckle shade for me, and I have been doing this. If there is something that I do consistently on the daily for my makeup, it is this. It just looks so cute and youthful. And it's so easy. All right, let's start with the eye look. So first I'm gonna go into Marcel's Forever Sharp Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner. This is in the shade Grape. So this is really neat because if I could get it off, you have a really nice sharp point, and inside the lid, I believe, if you turn it a certain way, yeah, close and then sharpen, it'll sharpen the eyeliner for you. I keep trying to pump it up, but I don't think I need to. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna go in along the lash line, and I'm building up the outer corner, like a little bit of a wing. I'm not gonna really wing it out, but you can see I'm just shaping my lid to be a little bit more almond shaped. So I'll bring the liner closer to my lash line as I go further down, keeping all of the pigment at the end. All right, I'm gonna use a few different palettes for this eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go into Naked Urban Decay Honey, vintage, it feels like, palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Keeper. I want something really warm and almost on the like orangey golden side, and I'm going to place that up on the brow bone. can go all the way across to the tip of front of your brow. Even kind of just go around the outer corner. And that just gives us a nice full lid space, a nice pop for deep set eyes. And we've also just kind of enhanced them more into an almond shape by cutting off that outer corner with the liner. I want to intensify that purple over top of the liner, so I'm taking my Buxom Cosmetics Ash K Home palette. I've looked for this online. It's hard to find. I wish that it wasn't a limited palette because it's so nice. The neutrals in it are beautiful. So I'm going to go over the area that we put the liner just to give it a little bit more pigment and just to kind of buff it out a bit. Smoke it out. It looks nice when it's just kind of softened. Go back into my Naked Honey palette and I'm gonna go into the shade Hive, which is a little bit deeper. I just want to kind of deepen this area a little bit and just kind of add a little bit more saturation of color. Just kind of like you have the dark color and then Keeper's kind of like buffing over top of it. I just want to see if I can put a little iridescence of color on the lid. So I'm going to go into ColourPop, that's Taupe, and I'm going to go into Snake Eyes, which has a little bit of a purpley violet undertone to it. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush so that I'm just picking up the iridescence of color. I don't want a saturation of foiledness on the eye. Oh yes, perfect. I want to add peachiness to my cheeks, so I'm going in with NYX's Summer Breeze. And I'm going to pop that on the apples of the cheeks and then go up towards the eye. All right, so I added mascara. I went in and tight-lined with the Marcel Grape eyeliner just to add a little bit more vibrancy of that purple to the eye, to the lash line. This is a great idea if you are not into colors, mostly neutrals, but want to add a little bit of color. Try just using it along the lash line. If you want to do foiled color but don't want a lot of glitter, try using a fluffy brush and just kind of fluff it along, and then you just get that iridescent shimmer instead of a lot of foiled glitter on the lid. It's very like day wearable or evening or whenever you want. So I went in with Baby Got Blush. This is in the shade Peaches and Cream, and I put that on my lips to add a little bit more peachiness. So I really like the peach and the gold with that purple, complementing any kind of yellow or gold undertones are really going to make blues and purples pop. So that is the focus of the look, to really make, if you have blue eyes, make them pop, and then just have the peaches and the warmth all around it. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.